So it seems everybody likes boot tip designs on various things these days, like bags and chaps and so forth. So I wanted to come up with a simple template to help draw these in various sizes. And I think this one works really, really well. It comes in 2 pieces. There's going to be 4 sizes available. Basically how it works is you're going to position the main template where you want it. This will be your bottom point right here. So just position it kind of where you want it on your design. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to trace your top curve. And then also you want to mark the center right down there, because we're going to use that as a pivot point, and that's where we're going to connect the next stage. So next thing you're going to do, and it's marked on the template, you're going to take position, you're going to connect 1 to 2 at the top. So this is point 1, point 2, and center. So you're going to take point 1, connect it to where 2 was, and then you're going to connect this center down there at that point that you made. You just want to pivot those so those dots are connecting in both places, and then you're going to draw this arc. And then you're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. You're going to position this here, position 2 to 1, and then center to that point. And draw the next arch. So there you have the main portion of the design. Now, if you want to add some embellishment on the top, that's what this is for. So what we're going to do is we're going to position this. There's a center line here. We're going to line that up to the center point of our design. Also, I'm just eyeballing it. You know, you just want to make sure that these distances here are equal, so it's a straight line. And then what you're going to do is you're going to trace this and also trace along the bottom. And then also we're going to need to mark our center, because this is what we're going to flip it around and rotate across this part. So we're just going to mark this here, here, and here. So we know that's basically the center line of our design. And then what you're going to do now, you could do a couple things. You can either put this here and do the same thing, or if you do want to add another line in there to kind of fill up some space, there is a dash line on this template. Line that up with the line that you just drew, making sure this is centered, and then you could draw another line here. Okay, now we're going to move this up, and we're going to line up this line to those marks we made. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to mark the top and this curve. And then we also need to add that extra line. So we're going to flip this template around again and line up that line to that dash line. And then trace along the bottom. And there you have the finished design. After it's stitched, it's going to look like that.